Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. GlowCity Glider lights up the night. I scored mega points with the kids. They did not want to stop playing, and I was tired of trying to keep up with their energy. The LED lights are amazing during dusk and makes you want to play all night. You literally cannot lose this glider, even if it goes into the high grass or the bushes like ours did all the time. Just look at the vibrant colors. There are so many to choose from. This glider is strong and well made. It held up to hitting trees and benches, and it just flies and glides so far. I think this is a must-have for every family's fun day. I keep mine in the car for spontaneous fun times. We have epic days at the park with GlowCity Glider, and we think you will too. Of course, that's just our point of view.